Hi, I am Eva Fonda, and I have something for you. Oh, yes, this is. What's this? A tomato, native tomato from Philippines. Yes, I have one, two, three, four. Yeah, I have four tomatoes here. What is the color of these tomatoes? Oh, yes. Just comment the color of these tomatoes. Oh my god. Oh, do you know that tomatoes are fruit? Tomato is a fruit. Yeah, it's a fruit, not a vegetable. Yeah, please subscribe.